you had your breakfast yet?
Yeah, breakfast I have completed. Lunch I would have after this session.
At what time, ma'am?
Yeah, what? At around 3 p.m., 3:30 like that I would have my lunch. What about you?
I don't eat at 3:30. I don't know. I eat at 4:30 or 5. I don't know. Ma'am, at what time do I eat food?
Oh, okay. So why so late?
Because I don't feel hungry. Because in school I eat there, and if I have saved some, so I eat it. I have right now had my lunch. Lunch is done.
Okay. So what did you have?
Today mother was making chapati, so take time for her. So she said, okay, let me make some puri.
Okay, alright. Okay, so let's start with the topic mother. So tell me, how much do you love your mother?
A lot. Everyone love their mother. They can't stay without their mother. And
Yes.
If their mother is not there, who will help the child?
Yeah.
If he doesn't know how to read Marathi or Hindi, so mother know how to read. My mother know how to read Hindi, so she can help me to read Hindi. I am not good at reading Hindi. Are you good at reading Hindi, ma'am?
Hindi is like my third language. It's not my mother tongue, but yeah, I can read Hindi. I have studied Hindi, like I had from class 5 to 8. After that, I didn't have Hindi. So it's my third language. Yeah, I know how to read, but just because lack of practice, I have forgotten how to write. But if I just practice again, I will understand it and I will be able to write it again.
Okay.
Just like Marathi, your third language, mine was Hindi, third language.
No, ma'am, my third language is not Marathi. My mother tongue is Hindi, and right now I'm learning English. And I'm going to learn Marathi also later. After
yeah, that only I'm saying that Marathi we had like that. Maybe you will have Marathi like from class 5 or something. So we had this because my mother tongue is Bengali.
Ma'am,
we had Hindi.
I have Marathi when I was in when I am in 4th class right now, so I have Marathi. Marathi class.
Okay,
so
you have
Marathi book.
Okay, so we started having like Hindi when I was in class 5. Class 5 to 8 we had
when
Hindi.
I right now I'm in 4th class, so I have all subject. I have all the subject, but I don't have science, history. These subjects don't.
So what subjects do you have right now?
English, EVS, Marathi, Hindi, maths, and art, game, dance.
Oh, okay.
And computer theory. We read
computer is there. Oh, okay. So you like computer, the subject?
I like computer subject, but mostly I like going to the computer lab. Everybody like.
Yeah, same. I used to like that as well. I like the practical mostly than the theory.
I also like that. Nobody like reading. They don't understand. If somebody is reading the chapter number 4 or any chapter, so they silently go down. They bend their back and silently go to see on which line they I have the reading parts, who is reading, where he have reached. So they will say, ask, where have you reached? He say, I have reached here. So they go there and say, then they put. So they cheat.
No one puts the concentration on that thing. Like suppose you are reading, I'm not putting concentration in your reading. So later on I will ask you that where you were. So from that portion I will read it when ma'am will say.
Yes, but ma'am is clever. She can see, oh, he's going from down. Then she will say, you have came here, so read.
Yeah. teachers are, clever because they have so much experience, so they can understand
Yes.
everything.
Even today, that same happened to me. Today was my game class. My dance class was cancelled. So then we were playing so many fun games. We could not jog, we could not run. So we were silently bending our head that teacher can't see us and walking silently. So then teacher saw. She said, "Oh, why are you walking? Jump!" We were jumping. So it was so we could not jump all the time by doing round. We did round.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. So what happens in dance class?
In dance class, nothing happens. Just she give the dance ma'am shows us how to do this. She showed the steps and she said, "Now you come here and dance. What I have taught you. Which step I have taught you."
Hmm. Okay. So which dance, like Bollywood, classical, I mean Indian or Bollywood?
She don't teach those songs, but mostly she every day she Cinderella. There's one song of Cinderella and Saturday. These two.
Okay, okay. Cinderella and all these songs. Like not any Bollywood song she teaches.
No, not those.
Okay, okay. So you have learned the dance steps?
No, ma'am. I don't know how to dance.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So what do you like? Dancing, singing? Which one you like? Which hobby you like the most?
I don't like dancing or singing because I'm not good at singing or dancing. So my favorite in my class, my favorite subject everybody like game. In that in the class only the game teacher everybody like. But the teacher today was my dance class, the game class. So teacher was dance. We had to walk and dance. We didn't. We had to hold somebody boy's hand and dance and go around. That was so we silently let the boy's hand go, and then the team there's one big wall. So we get bent down, silently walk, and the mouse used to laugh at us. She laughed at us. Then she was just laughing. Then ma'am was there. So we first hold the hands and start doing that.
So that means you had a lot of fun today in dance class.
Not in dance, game.
Oh yeah, games class. So you had a lot of fun. So you like which one, games or dance? Which class? Games class you enjoy or dance class?
Game I enjoy. Everybody think art is very boring. We like in my school everybody like coloring, but they think it's boring because teacher tell the step. You do this, color this, draw this. So we get bored. We say, why don't we draw our favorite drawing? Why do we have to follow the teacher step?
So they just give you instructions that do that, do this. So that is quite boring. You want to color it on your own.
Yes, we want to color it by ourselves and draw it also.
Okay, so you can tell the teacher that ma'am, I want to draw something on my own. I have some creative ideas like that. You can say politely to her. Then maybe she will give chance.
No, if I have not bring the paper, she asked to bring A4 size paper daily when the drawing class. If I forgot, so I take the rough notebook and then I can draw anything on it.
Oh,
if I have not
so when you
A4
don't
size.
bring A4 size paper, that time you can draw anything,
Yes.
whatever you want.
On rough notebook, but.
Oh, okay. So that means you should not carry A4 size paper anymore.
Nobody carry A4 size paper because they want to draw anything. I like drawing, so there are so many. Swimming pool. It's very hard to draw swimming pool. One girl had drawn a house. There is a basement, a kitchen. She didn't know how to draw the kitchen or the basement. Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, do you like drawing?
Yeah, I'm listening. Say. I like drawing. I used to draw a lot, but
now you may think it's quite boring.
I like art and crafts also.
Art and craft.
For me, it's interesting. Interesting, you know. Yeah, it is interesting if you choose the right art. Like suppose if you are just trying to make fish and if you don't like, then that would be boring. So rather, what should you do? You should try making a Cinderella or something. So then it would be interesting.
You must think before drawing. Like you must think, I want to draw a car. I want to draw this. I want to draw that.
Yeah, practice, thinking, and all, imagination, creativity. All these things are required in art.
If when my art ma'am comes, she say, put your head down on the bench and sleep for 1 second and think what is in your dream, what came in your dream, draw that. So we close our eyes and think what our everybody's dream has different dreams, so they draw. One draw, I want to become a fairy, or other draw, I want to sit in a big yellow car. And like boys, what they draw in, like I'm eating a cloud made of chocolate. That's my, I like chocolate.
You made that?
No, I didn't made that. I made something else, like garden, flower.
Okay, you made garden and okay,
There
like
was
one house.
Bird singing.
Hut.
That's called tree house.
Okay, nice. Okay, so Ritika, I want to give you one feedback. Just tell this to your father. I'm just telling you here. Later, I will also tell. So I want to tell that your speaking part is really nice. You have got the fluency and all these things. But just because you are a kid right now, you make little bit mistakes in tenses like past, plural. Suppose teacher teaches. Grammatical part you make mistakes. So it is obvious because you haven't learned anything grammar yet, English grammar. Slowly you will learn when you will when you will go in 5th class, 6th class or something. But I would recommend you right now, don't focus on grammar much. Slowly, naturally, you would learn with class and with school or everything. Right now, you only focus on your fluency and expressing your thoughts. So you would speak and practice with people. But in your leisure time, in your free time, try to learn tense and the basic grammar, like parts of speech, grammar, like tense, all these things. If you learn it, singular, plural, then it will be much better. Okay?
Okay, ma'am, I learned.
Yeah. In your free time, just singular, plural, masculine, feminine, waiter, waitress, masculine, feminine, plural, singular, plural, all this thing you need to learn. Parts of speech, preposition, adjective, adverb, all this thing, and tense. And that's it you need to learn now, as of now. But when you will be in class 9 or 10, that time you need to learn modals, conditionals. Right now you need only these. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, right now you focus on your expressing your thoughts and speaking, because you express in a very nice way and I understand everything and I love also to talk to you.
Thank you, ma'am.